Hello everyone, LTS is back with another video for you guys. So today on the bench we have this quite nice Aiwa old school cassette player. This one is HS-G08 with equalizer right over here. Quite nice unit actually. I think I have prepared a few in the past of these, and they sound pretty much very nice, but also have lots of issues regarding things that belt left. Yeah, that gooey material sometimes went into the motor front bearing, and then we have lots of problems by cleaning that. Yeah, so I think that we will not test it. Customer said that it just do not respond to any buttons, so let's just start disassembling device and we will see what do we have to do. We have front panel a bit loose. We will fix this a bit later. Yeah, this PCB. And yes, the motor front bearing already contaminated, so we will have lots of problems right over here. But first things first, let's maybe let's start from removing PCB. So at first let's unsolder some things, like these two contacts, this one, these are for the buttons. Then we'll have to unsolder this part, because to this small PCB attached some wires, and we do not want to deal with that. And from what I can see, we will have to also remove flex cable. Okay, so let's just do that. Also forgot to mention that that we have to unsolder that head flex wire right over here. Okay, so we have quite a few capacitors right over here. And construction-wise, it has lots of similarities to most of the earlier Aiwa revisions, from what I can see. And let's start step by step removing that belt remainer. We have door removed, and we can, I think, put some glue right over here to stick this one back. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's instantly put this away. Actually, the best would be to search for another motor for this one, to salvage it from other device maybe. Okay, I think that we are clean enough. And you just see how much time it takes to operate that kind of nonsense. Let's put in the front bearing oil. Okay, let's remove those capstans. Everything else spins very freely, so that is always a good thing. Let's check check again the motor. And of course we should do one more thing. We have to remove all that glue from the PCB. Okay, so I have prepared everything for the device. Let's first need to put the belt. Okay, let's put this away for right now. And let's focus on the PCB. Okay, so we have only one capacitor leaked. Let's move those straight away to the trash. Okay, now let's prep the board for the new capacitors. Okay, so we have done with capacitors. All of the capacitors are replaced with the new ones. Right now, what I would like to do, I would like to put in some contact cleaner into the switch. Maybe let's remove the potentiometer and do the cleanup for it too. Also, those switches. Let's put some contact cleaner to those. Do we have more of these? I don't think so. It doesn't look like it is bad, but let's just remove it and let's do the cleanup for it. Okay. Okay, so that's it with the PCB. Right now, let's just put this one into the tape transport. You have to align the switch with that metal bracket right over here. Maybe you know what, let's solder head flex and then we will put it back. So let's solder this one first. Let's not forget to put this one back. And that's it. I think that we can put this one. Now we'll have to connect those points everywhere. So let's start soldering iron. Other side. Okay, it is spinning also. Very good. Play. And we have some problem. It is spinning in one direction but not in the other. It is not spinning into this direction. Why? Okay, let me investigate that. Okay, so I have found the issue, and this lever is sticking. As you can see, it is not going in fully. Yeah, that's why we don't have rewind playback spool to spin. Yeah. So I'm gonna just right now remove the PCB and investigate why it sticks. Okay, till then. Okay, so I managed to free it up. Now it's not sticking anymore. Okay, so that was quite a procedure. I have used isopropyl to wash it out, because you cannot remove this gear from right over here, and to remove just to remove that lever, you would have to disassemble fully tape transport fully. I mean, and this is I found that the fastest actually, and the best solution for it. Yeah. So let's put back those. Just look at that. Now it's working just perfectly fine. Yeah. Okay, let's put back this one. These earlier Aiwa devices are much more complex and complicated to repair than later. Not the later, but I think that something like 90s. Yeah, 90s, 80s, end of the 80s and 90s. Those devices are a bit easier to to maintain and to repair actually. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's solder those. Let's put back into this. Now both spindles are working, as you can see, just perfectly fine. Let's not start celebrating at first. Let's clean capstans and pinch rollers. Okay, short test. Let's do it. Yes, we will do this without equalizer right now. Okay, play. Why it is stopping? I think I know. From what I can hear, both sides are playing. Okay. So right now what we can do, we can put back the door. Good. Right now let's solder this bad boy down. All right, let's make some small test. Yeah, equalizer works just perfectly fine. All right, let's do right now. What do we have to do? Azimuth, yeah. Okay, azimuth is set. Let's lock azimuth screw. Maybe let's set dolby levels. Okay, let's start. So ground is everywhere, ground, and I see 2 points right over here. One over here and one over here. Okay, let me check what are actual requirements. Yes, 100 millivolts should be. So let's try to fix it. Ground is over here, also ground, and let's see, dolby off, yeah? Tape normal, dolby off, yeah. Good. Okay. No, it's not one. 100 should be. 99 is okay. Other channel. Come on. How much? 98. 104. Yeah. So that's it. Dolby levels are set. Now let's set tape speed. And also we will check the wow and flutter. Wow and flutter is not the best one. Far from the best actually. Okay, how to adjust that? Okay, let me try. Let's check other side. Yeah, definitely. Let's increase a bit more. Jesus, it's so inconvenient to work on this. Where are you? Okay. Let's do something like that. Other side. That's a bit released. Where are you? I think something maybe like that would be fine. Other side. Okay, and this side. Reverse actually. I think it's okay, and regarding wow and flutter specification, we are also in. You know what? Let's check. Very interesting thing. Frequency response, okay? Okay, so this is what we have regarding frequency response, and I think that we can increase something. Yeah. High frequencies, but they are not very high, as you can see. Mid-range 1 kilohertz, 3.3 kilohertz, and 10 kilohertz. So basically those are working, and you can adjust a bit. But this is what we have regarding all when we set all to the middle. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Right now, just I'm gonna assemble device. And that's it. We have successfully assembled device. Okay, let's do the final test. Let's connect the headphones. Let's maybe at this stage put batteries. Let's see how the device works with the batteries, and let's put in the tape. Let's not forget one more thing. Let's put back potentiometer knob. Okay. Potentiometer not crackling. Equalizer is working. Now let's check metal, this, dolby. Okay, other side. Okay, fast forward. Very quiet. Rewind. Also. So that's it about this device. This was quite a challenging one because those earlier Aiwa models was a bit more complex and not very convenient for repairs, but we have done that and we have achieved very good results in the end. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. As always, please consider supporting my channel. Also, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Match.